We're having a Halloween-themed movie night, so I thought it would be the perfect time to show some of our favorite 3D printed Halloween decorations, and then get the studio ready for the party. I'm Jim.
I'm Tristan.
I'm Lindsay.
And this is The Edge of Tech. So this is my wife, Lindsay, and my son, Tristan. And we're gonna go get the studio decorated for our movie night and take you along to check out the decorations that we printed for it. Are you guys ready?
Yeah!
All right, let's go. We're actually going to be decorating the larger part of the studio, and it's currently set up to race mini Z cars, as you can see right here. This is where we're gonna have our movie night, as it actually has plenty of tables along the side. This is what we use for our pits when we race the mini Zs. And also it has a giant 120-inch screen with a projector, and we're going to get to that a little bit later. The first thing we're going to put up is this witch door topper. It actually prints flat, it's super easy, and then it can be placed on pretty much any door or window frame, just like that. To go along with that, we've printed these really cool slime door decorations. They were printed using one of those really fun build plates that give it a fun texture there. And just like the other one, it could actually be placed on any 90-degree angle surface, like a door, a window frame, anything like that. And it looks so cool, like we got slimed. This fun Halloween pumpkin door sign is next. We're actually gonna hang it right here on the bathroom door, because why not? Bathrooms need decorations too. There you go. That looks so cool. Every movie night needs snacks, and we printed a couple fun bowls to put our snacks in. We're going to start with this skull bowl here. It is super cool. The skulls are actually the bottom of the bowl, and it's a pretty good sized bowl in there. And also this really cool witch's cauldron. I did not print a top. It does have a top, but I love it because this is a huge thing for snacks, and we can dump our snacks in. Tristan, you ready? Yep. All right. So our cauldron is now full of our snacks, and we're going to dump the Butterfingers and the Reese's into our skull bowl here and get them all ready to go for movie night. We have our snacks in our bowls, and we're ready to go. We'll get back to some more cool 3D printed Halloween stuff in 1 second. But first, I want to jump over to what I talked about earlier with the screen you see behind me. When we set up the studio here this past year, we set up this room for racing, and I pretty much used whatever I had to set up this screen back here and a projector so we could see the laps and the times on the track here behind us. It wasn't a great projector, it wasn't a great screen, and we really needed an upgrade. As you can see, it's just an old house projector like this, and in this bright room, it wasn't the best. That's where Valerion comes in, and they hooked us up in a huge way. They sent us over a beast of a projector, and it's called the VisionMaster Pro 2. Not only is it a laser 4K projector, but it also does 3D if you have their active 3D glasses. Google OS is actually already built in, so you have all of your favorite apps, including movies and sports and TV shows and all the good stuff, and you don't even have to plug in a computer if you don't want to. Not only that, but it'll do 4K gaming and look really good, and if you want it to look super good with a very high refresh rate, you jump down to 1080 gaming, and they claim a 240 hertz refresh rate with only a 4 millisecond delay. That's pretty awesome for a projector. We're gonna show you what this projector looks like at movie time in just a little bit. Currently it's like daylight and we're trying to decorate for the movie, so we're not there yet. But thanks so much to Valerion for sending this thing out. I can't wait to show you all what it looks like, because seriously, I think it's better than my 4K TV at home. They also sent over the screen you see hanging right here behind me, and it is specifically designed for a laser projector, which is super cool. It actually automatically goes up and down, and once you get it set, you can leave it in the position, or it'll go up and down when you turn the projector on, which is super cool. I'll have a link in the description below if you want to check this out and save some money, but thanks again to Valerion for sending this over. Now, back to the fun 3D prints. Of course, if we're gonna have snacks, we need drinks, and this is where the Spiderweb coasters came in that Lindsay found. They come in this really cool holder like that, and then you can take them out of the holder and use them as coasters. Once they're out of the holder, you can really start to see the shape. They're so cool. We can take our drinks, toss them right on there, and now we have our Spiderweb coasters. They're super cool, and they're definitely going with the Halloween themed movie night. Now that we have food and drinks covered, it's gonna actually be dark in the studio tonight when we have our movie night. That brings us to the fun light up prints we did, and we're gonna look at those next. It's daytime still, so you get the point. It's not quite dark, but
Yeah,
right?
yeah.
It's gonna be dark tonight, right? Mm-hmm. We'll start with these sweet melting candle tea light holders. They are super cool, and all you have to do is grab some of these LED tea lights from Amazon. There'll be a link in the description. Turn them on and you set them in the top, and it makes it look like the candles are actually lit. They're a lot of fun, and they're gonna look great tonight when it's actually dark out to illuminate our snacks and our drinks and the tables in general. Along with the candles, I made this tall ghost here, and it came out really good. It doesn't take too long to print. And basically you take your same tea light. We got the flickering kind, again, link in the description below. You set it underneath the ghost, and now you have a light up flickering ghost. I love this thing. It's so much fun. What do you think, buddy? He gave me a thumbs up. Last but not least for our fun light up things is this really cool jack-o'-lantern. This thing came out really good. It has a top and a stem, and you can open it up. You take your tea light and you put your tea light inside, and then you put the top on and it's flickering. Ooh, it's a jack-o'-lantern. This actually had a few different variations. And again, all the links for the models will be in the description below. But the other cool thing about this jack-o'-lantern is it doubles as a candy dish. So I could take the top off, we can grab some candy, pull the light out, and just dump it right in like that. And now you have yourself a really cool candy dish with lid, if I can get the lid on. Another really cute, fun thing that we printed were these ghost buntings. If you don't know what a bunting is, well, I didn't either. Basically, I guess that's what they call something that you put the little string through and hang from a wall or a ceiling or whatever you want. The string kind of goes through the top there. You string them all together and then you hang them up. In this case, these ghosties are double-sided, so it doesn't matter which side you see. You see the little ghosties on both sides, and it's really cute when you hang them all up on a wall or a ceiling. It's super cute. I love these little ghosties. They didn't take too long to print, and like Lindsay showed us, they're double-sided. That's awesome. What else do we got? Lindsay also printed this really cute Happy Halloween sign. I think this was at what percent? 150%. So it's a lot bigger than it was designed to be, but it came out really cute. Only one layer change. You see from the orange to the black. You could do this on any 3D printer pretty easily. And it came out really good to sit there on one of our tables. What kind of Halloween decorations would be complete without a fun black cat? And this one, of course, says boo. This is actually Lindsay's design. She made this for her miniatures world, and this is blown up quite a bit so we could make it nice and tall for a table. The real size, 100% scale, actually looks more like this. That's right. That little guy right there. That's 100% scale. So it's actually tiny, tiny. That's for like 1/12 scale dollhouse stuff. I'll put the link in the description below for Lindsay's Etsy store where she designs and sells things all over the world for people's dollhouses. This thing is so cute and also so tiny compared to the big one. Another thing she designs and prints are these cute little tiny jack-o'-lantern pumpkins like this. It comes with a lid and also a light. So it has a little tiny light that actually fits inside. You drop it in and put the top on, and now you have a tiny little jack-o'-lantern that's all lit up. These things are super cute and also super tiny, and they printed so good on that printer. Last but not least of the decorations we're going to show today, this gargoyle. This thing was printed in a marble filament from Polymaker, and it came out so good. The teeth look amazing inside of there, and I'm pretty sure our decorations are going to be pretty complete for our movie tonight. Let us know in the comments what else you would have made, what your favorite decoration was, and if you print decorations at home, I'd be curious to see what you guys do because I love doing this, especially themed holidays. It came out so good. Lindsay did a ton of printing on the brand new Bamboo Lab P2S, and almost all of this was printed on it, and all of it came out almost flawless. Well, now that all the decorations are up and it's actually nighttime and time for a movie, we're going to start doing that and enjoying these sweet, sweet snacks. Let us know in the comments what decorations you would have printed, if anything different. And also, what's your favorite Halloween movie? What's your favorite Halloween movie?
Ghostbusters.
Ghostbusters! I guess we're watching Ghostbusters tonight. Thanks again to Valerion for sending over the sweet projector and the screen. It has really transformed this space into something awesome. It is on in the background there. You can see the projector, and these guys are watching Ghostbusters. It looks so good in the space, and we really do appreciate it. This is going to change movie nights going forward. And thank you again. Link in the description below if you want to check out that. I believe there's a discount, so you can get this with a discount as well. If you want this projector and screen, in your room or house or TV room or wherever you want to put it, it is pretty dang awesome. Also, quick heads up, almost all of the decorations that you saw printed in this video were printed on the brand new Bamboo Lab P2S. They came out so good. That printer is just cruising along, almost 200 hours of print time on it for these decorations and stuff. So check out this video right here if you haven't seen that already on the P2S. And I'm gonna go jump in and watch this movie with Lindsay and Tristan. Until next time, we'll see you later. Bye!